Hi. The Focus task in Deluge enables you to automatically set the cursor on a specific field, guiding your user's attention exactly where it's needed. It's a quick way to create a smoother, more intuitive experience. Focus task can be triggered in these instances. Let's see how you can use this task in your application. Consider an order management application with a feedback form where you need to direct users to a specific field based on their input. Let us proceed with the configuration for this requirement. Go to the editor. Select Workflow and create a workflow for the user input of a field event. Here, we will define a Deluge script with an if condition to dynamically shift focus to specific fields depending on user's rating. Feedback form includes 3 different ratings. Based on the user's selection, the form will automatically focus on the relevant follow-up question. For example, if the input for "how likely would you recommend us" is "not likely," the focus shifts to "what went wrong" field. For the remaining options, we'll use else if and else conditions to ensure the focus moves to the appropriate field corresponding to the selected rating. Now, let's access the live application by adding a record to see how it works. Let us fill the form. On selecting a choice for the ratings field, the cursor will shift to the relevant field based on the defined logic. This logic will apply to the other 2 ratings as well. Along with setting focus, you can also disable the irrelevant fields to improve usability. Awesome! This is just one instance of using the Focus task in Creator. Other use cases include setting focus on specific sub-form fields, automatically focusing on a field when a form loads, and many more. We hope this video helped in understanding how to use Focus task in your Creator forms. That's all for this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Zoho Creator and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video releases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.